In this video, I just wanted to introduce you to this very interesting cloud plugin with ChatGPT support. As you can see on your screen, this is a GitHub repo, and this project is not yet in fruition, so it is still a work under progress. As you see, it's about section says that ChatGPT plugin that will, and in the brackets, one day allow us to list and manage cloud resources. Seems pretty interesting, and I will keep my eye on it just to see how it works. And when it is ready, I will create a video around it to install it and use it. But for now, as you can see, what it is doing is it is simply having a Flask web server and then using Protocol to authenticate with AWS, and then just simply it is making some AWS API calls, presumably through Boto 3, and then giving us the information in maybe YAML form or any other form. You can also run it locally when it is ready with simply pip commands and then starting a local web server. For now, if you run this command through curl, it hangs, but they are just but it is still, as I said, work in progress. And then very soon, when it is in production or it is at least some in the working state, I will create another video on it. I will also post a link to this repo in video description so that if you want to contribute or want to try it out, you can. Thanks for listening and enjoy your day.